Good day, everyone. As we approach the end of quarter two, it's time to review and prepare for your upcoming science exam. So this exam will cover all the lessons we've studied so far, including the exciting topics on the body systems work or functions, the root and shoot systems of plants, habitat of animals, animals and plants in a particular habitat such as a garden, rice field, seashore, and mangrove swamp, life cycle of animals, animals and the food they eat, and food chain. So today we'll go through key ideas, highlight the most important points, and do some practice questions to help you feel confident. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. Which activity shows how our bones help us move with other parts of the body? A. Eating breakfast. B. Walking to school. C. Listening to music. Or letter D. Sleeping. The correct answer is letter B. Walking to school. Which activity demonstrates how your muscular system helps you interact with your environment? A. Sleeping soundly at night. B. Playing SIPA with your friends. C. Watching TV at home. Or letter D. Sitting still while reading. The correct answer is letter B. Which two body systems help a student catch their breath after quickly climbing stairs? A. Digestive and skeletal. B. Respiratory and circulatory. Letter C. Muscular and skeletal. D. Circulatory and digestive. The correct answer is letter B. Respiratory and circulatory. Is eating lechon before a PE class a good choice for digestion and energy? Why or why not? A. Yes, because it is rich in protein. B. No, because it is heavy and hard to digest quickly. C. Yes, because it gives instant energy for exercise. D. No, because it does not provide enough nutrients. The correct answer is letter B. No, because it is heavy and hard to digest quickly. What is the primary function of the roots? A. To make the tree taller. B. To absorb water and nutrients from the soil. C. To produce fruits for the tree. Or letter D. To make the leaves greener. The correct answer is letter B. To absorb water and nutrients from the soil. Why is the shoot system essential for the tree? A. It absorbs water from the soil for the tree. B. It stores food for the tree to grow. C. It supports the plant and helps the leaves capture sunlight for photosynthesis. D. It makes the tree grow taller quickly. The correct answer is letter C. It supports the plant and helps the leaves capture sunlight for photosynthesis. What roles do the roots play for water-based plants like kangkong and rice? A. The roots help the plant float on the water's surface. B. The roots absorb nutrients and minerals from the water for growth. Letter C. The roots absorb oxygen from the air for the plant. And D. The roots allow the plant to grow faster. The correct answer is letter B. The roots absorb nutrients and minerals from the water for growth. A student conducts an experiment with two plants, one with roots and one without. After a week, the plant without roots wilts. What does this show? A. The plant needs roots to absorb water and nutrients for survival. B. The plant stops producing flowers without roots. Letter C. The plant cannot grow taller without roots. And D. The plant's leaves stop growing due to sunlight shortage. The correct answer is letter A. The plant needs roots to absorb water and nutrients for survival. In a mangrove ecosystem in the Philippines, which animal is most likely to live on a terrestrial habitat? A. Bangus, B. Tuko, C. Lapu-lapu, D. Maya. The correct answer is letter B, tuko or gecko. How would the food chain be affected if the number of frogs in this habitat increases too much? A. There will be more insects to feed the frogs. B. The number of insects will decrease and birds may go hungry. Letter C. Rice plants will grow faster because there are more frogs. Or D. More frogs will lead to fewer snakes in the area. The correct answer is letter B. The number of insects will decrease and birds may go hungry. A community near the seashore observes that fewer fish are being caught. According to the food chain, what is the most probable cause? A. Plants on the shore are taking up too much space. B. Overfishing reduces small fish, leaving fewer food sources for larger fish. C. More fishermen are catching fish before they can grow larger. Or D. Fish have moved closer to the shore to avoid predators. The correct answer is letter B. Overfishing reduces small fish, leaving fewer food sources for larger fish. What will happen to the food chain if many of the mangrove trees are cut down? A. Fish will have more space to swim, increasing their population. B. Crabs will thrive because there will be fewer birds to eat them. C. Animals may lose their habitat, affecting the entire food chain. Or letter D. New plants will quickly replace the mangroves. The correct answer is letter C. Animals may lose their habitat, affecting the entire food chain. If a human baby grows into a toddler, then a student, and finally an adult, which stage in a frog's life cycle represents a similar mature stage? A. Tadpole, B. Egg, C. Adult frog, or letter D. Pupa? The correct answer is letter C. Adult frog. The chicken eats grains based on the chicken's diet. What role does the chicken probably play in the food chain? A. Producer, B. Primary consumer, C. Secondary consumer, letter D. Decomposer. The correct answer is letter B. Primary consumer. If you were to categorize goats based on what they eat, which of the following would best describe them? A. Carnivores, B. Omnivores, C. Herbivores, letter D. Insectivores. The correct answer is letter C. Herbivores. Which of the following food chains accurately shows the flow of energy in a Philippine ecosystem? The correct answer is letter C. The grass is eaten by the grasshopper, and the grasshopper is eaten by the frog, and the frog is eaten by the snake. How would you interpret the relationship between the carabao and the eagle in the food chain? The correct answer is letter B. The carabao is an herbivore and the eagle is a carnivore. If a mudskipper eats algae and is then eaten by a heron, what will happen if the number of herons increase significantly? The correct answer is letter A. The number of mudskippers would decrease. Remember, take your time to read each question carefully and don't forget to apply what we've learned together. Good luck!